Install tetting arm and hip arm. Connect power supply and air supply. Place tire with bead brake to the size at rim's smallest diameter. Move tetting arm backward. Open clamp to position wide, then rim diameter. Step pedal twice to clamp rim tightly. Press tire with pressing load. Rotate the turntable to detach the tire from the rim. Lubricate tire and rim. Lock the mounting head above rim 2 to 3 mm to it. Insert level into tire. Then move away pressing load. Move the pressing device opposite to the demounting head. Press the tire with pressing device to the side at rim diameter. Raise tire with level above demounting head. Rotate the turntable. Fully detach the bead from the rim. Raise tire with big rolling plates. Move the big rolling plates under the tire. Then lift the tire gradually until lift it up. Detach the other side. Lubricate tire and rim. Press the tire behind the mounting head. Adjust pressing load. Press tire to the side at rim's smallest diameter. Move pressing device. Rotate tire with turntable. Mount tire fully. In-flight tire.